Our double dough roller conveyor machine. First off, the overall dimensions. The measurement for each conveyor belt will include 20 inches in length by 38 inches in depth. Measurements from the left to right conveyor belt, overall length will be 82 inches in total. Coming to the bottom, the measurement for the base, we have 27.25 inches and a depth of 31.5 inches. The conveyor belt on the left and the right will have stands that will rest beneath each peg, and when not in use, the legs can be folded up and adjusted back into position. Coming to the left and right side will be covers that can be retracted and held into position whenever the conveyor machine is in operation. Coming to the top will be a storage pan that can be removed, with the storage pan measuring 5.5 inches in length, 20 inches in depth, by 2 inches in height. Measurements apply for the storage pan that will hold your product that will make your goods with this dough conveyor machine. Included will be the instruction pamphlet, along with extra tools needed to install and operate this unit. Coming to each end of the conveyor belt will be trays that will dispense and catch the products that are being conveyed to the left and right. Also included will be a roller that can be used whenever your goods and products are dispensed from the left or right side. So this is also included to flatten the dough that's being conveyed for the left and right conveyor belt. Coming to the side will be your power switch, and the front are the features. So whether if you want your dough sheets to be flat or thick, this lever handle will control the compression of the dough that's being dispensed for the left and right side. Coming to the bottom will be the emergency toggle button, and coming to the bottom will be the handle to control the conveyor belt on top. This will be its neutral position, and when it's pressed down to the left side, it will move rightwards on top. And coming to the bottom will be foot pedals that will control the left and right conveyor belt. So when the foot pedal is pressed down to the left, the conveyor belt will move rightwards. And when the foot pedal is pressed down to the right, it will move leftwards. So two features, the handle, including the foot pedals, to control the conveyor belts on top. And this conveyor machine will require wiring to operate this unit. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.